Welcome, this is FaceForward Software, and in today's video, we're going to talk about tile filters within Streamline. Within the tile options, there are some important filtering features. If I go to one of my tiles, just click on the gear. We'll go down to options like we've done before. I'll click on my wrench, go to my different data fields. We'll use customer, so I'll click on the drop-down menu for customer, and we'll go to the filter tab. Under type, this will give me several different filtering options, and as you can see in this drop-down, we've got distinct, range, and compare. So for this example, if I choose distinct, I can now go through and select individual clients. I can go use different pages, select different clients on different pages if I need to. I can even search for clients in this type ahead menu up here that will narrow down your search as well too. Once I have this all established, I can just click on apply. This will update my tile. And I've now filtered down my customer sales to only those customers I've selected. If I want to remove any of these filters, I can simply just go back to type. I'll go to the drop down, I'll select none, click apply again, and this will update my tile and give me all my data again. The nice thing with these filters is that you can also go by date if you prefer. So if I go down to ship date, click the drop down arrow there, and we can go to type, and if I go with range, as you can see, it's going to go by specific dates. And so these are date ranges that I can filter upon. So if I choose fixed, I can manually choose my start date. So we'll go with January 1st, 2017. And we can do the same for our end date. So fixed, and maybe I'll move this to the end of the year, so December 31st, 2017. Apply, and that will go for just the date range for this year. Or if I switch my type to relative, you'll have a direction where you can choose this, next, or previous. So if I say we'll go to previous, set my value to 1, and then for the interval, I can set this for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 hour, all the way down to 1 second ago if I so choose. For a 1-year example, we can go back to type again. We can go with range, so like we did up here. I can go back and switch this back to fixed. I can set my start date like we did to January 1st. But this time around, if I choose my end date and switch this to relative, I can do that. Again, this will give us our direction of this next or previous. And I can switch the interval to day, so I'll just keep that, and then by clicking apply, the way this will work is that it'll take all my customer sales data and it'll be real-time information going back to the day starting on my start date of January 1st, 2017. Now I can come back to my fields. I can go back to ship date again. We'll change my grouping to month, which it is right here already. We'll click apply. And then this will take my data, and this will switch this to a month-to-month basis just for that year. Anytime you apply a tile filter, you can instantly know that there is a filter applied just by looking for the filter icon on your tile. So where my mouse is at currently. That is the filter icon. You can also see the filter icon by going back to your options here. So if I go back to options, we'll go to the gear, click on options like we've done, go to my wrench tab, you'll notice that same filter icon is over here next to ship date. And that will help you understand what filter and which field that filter is being applied to. At any point in time, you can always go back and update your filters. So I can go back here, go to my filter, and of course I can turn it off if I want to. We'll hit apply. So by selecting none and then hit apply, that'll remove any filters you had. Thank you so much.